Very good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about that algebraic expression. Okay. In previous class we are start our the new lesson. What is that? It's a algebraic expression. Okay. So in this video we will discuss detailed study about that algebraic expression. Okay. So what is meant by the algebraic expression? First question arises that when you are to learn about that algebraic expression, then what is meant by the algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means what? So, see a student, algebraic expression means the when variable and constant. Algebraic expression is formed by variable and constant combined. When variable and constant are combined using basic four operations. All of you know that the mathematical operation, it's what? Plus, minus, multiplication and division. It is the basic four operation of mathematics. So what is that? When variable and constant using when variable and constant are combined using basic four operation, then the operations are obtained, expressions are obtained, they are called as this expression are called as the algebraic expression. Okay, this is the proper definition of the algebraic expression. Another definition also it is also the very useful definition for the understanding the algebraic expression. What is that? In 7th standard we have to given these types of definition. 7th class we have to given the algebraic expression chapter. This class, in this chapter we have to given the simple definition. Okay. So what is the another definition of algebraic expression? Another definition of the algebraic expression is what? The combination of variable and constant are connected by mathematical operation. Then expression you have to obtain, these expression are called as the, what is that? Algebraic expression. So what is that? The combination of variable and constant with connected mathematical operation. It is called as a what? Algebraic expression. This is the definition of a algebraic expression. So what is that, student? Algebraic expression is formed by which two terms? Which term? First is a constant and first is a variable and second is a constant. Okay, constant and variable combination with mathematical operation, then we have to get the algebraic expression. Understand? So, okay, it is the definition of algebraic expression. But what is meant by the variable and constant? What is meant by actually variable and constant? See. We have to learn about that the variable. What is meant by variable and what is meant by constant? Variable means the variables, they are numerical, a quantity whose numerical value is not fixed. What is that variable? A quantity whose numerical value is not fixed. Value is not fixed. In variable, you have to give on the numerical value is not a fixed, it is called as a variable. And variable is represented by a small alphabetical letter. Which small, for example, X, Y, Z, up to that A, B, C, D, any small alphabetical letter, not a capital, small alphabetical letter. Okay, variable is denoted by the small alphabetical letter. Okay, now what about the constant? Constant means what? In the variable value, numerical value is not fixed, but in a constant, numerical value is fixed. So, value is fixed. It is called as what? Constant. And constant is denoted by the numbers. There is a 4, 3, 4, minus 11, up to that. Etc. Understand, student? So, what is that variable? Variable means the numerical value is not fixed, and constant means the numerical value is fixed. Okay. Also, you have to understand what is the notation of the variable and constant. So, algebraic expression is formed by using a variable and constant with mathematical. We have to use a what? By using a basic mathematical operation. This is called as a algebraic expression. Understand, student? Now we have to give one. The next one is a terms and coefficient. Okay, students, see here. Now terms and coefficient. What is meant by that? What is meant by terms and what is meant by coefficient? In algebraic expression, what is the term? How to identify the terms and coefficient? See here, student, it is very simple. For example, 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5, it is algebraic expression because it is a combination of variable and constant with mathematical operation. So it is called as the algebraic expression. So in this algebraic expression, how many terms are there? How many terms are there and what is meant by term? How to identify them? See a student, 4x plus 5. In this expression, how many terms? 2 terms. How many terms? 4x is the first term and 5 is the second term. Okay, means what? This term is defined as a term may be the constant. Term may be a constant or the product of the two or more constant with variable. Product of two, एक तो constant भी रह सकते हैं terms, constant when you have to give in the constant it is also the term, and product of two or more constant and variable. Product of two or more constant with variable, it is also the term. This is the this type, so you have to identify the terms. For example, another example, 10abc minus 2c. 10abc minus 2c. Okay, then how many terms contain? It is also the 2 terms. This 10abc is also the first term and this is the second term. Okay. So this 10abc, another example, 10abc minus 2c. 10abc is the first term and 2c is the second term. Okay, student. So in this 10abc, how many factors? Now about the factors. This 10abc contains how many factors? 10 is the first factor. So see here. Do you understand the factors? Terms. 4x plus 5. How many terms of this expression? 2 terms. 4x is the first term and 5 is the second term. So now about the factor. Which is that factor? This 4x contains how many factors? First, 4 is the first factor and x is the second factor. Understand, student? This type. For example, 10abc minus 2c. In this algebraic expression, 10abc is the first term. It is the first term and second 2c is the second term. Okay, this 10abc contains how many factors? 10, then a, then b, then c. Okay, how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4. These types of we have to differentiate their constant and variable. Means the then it is called as also the factor. And this second term contains the which 2 and c. It is also the factors of this given term. Just you have to clearly getting the idea about the terms and factors. Terms means what? It is a constant or the product of two or more constant with variable. It is called as a term. Now about the coefficient. See a student. For example, 10ab minus 2c. Okay. By using this example, we have to properly understand the coefficient. So, coefficient, what is the coefficient of AB? When you are asking the question, what is the coefficient of AB? So, which is the numerical value in this term? 10. So, 10 is the coefficient. 10 is the coefficient of what? AB. Okay. Then, what is the coefficient of C? So, what is that? It's a minus 2. Is the coefficient of C, and it is the what is the coefficient of AB? Coefficient of AB is what? 10. This is the answer. This type of we have to identify the any coefficient of any algebraic expression. Understand, student? This type of we have to identify the coefficient. Then after that we have to given that like and unlike terms. How to identify the which is that like and which is the unlike? We will see here. Okay, friend. Like and unlike term. Okay, what is meant by the like term and what is meant by unlike term? See here, like term means the what? You have to note down this all the point in your notebook. Okay, that's why I am writing in here. This all the points. See here, student. Like term is what? Like term if they have the different. Like term is the if they have. When you want to say that it is a like term, if they have the same variable and also their power also the same. What you have to how to identify? You have to note down the 2 points. What is that? क्या होना चाहिए उसको like term को they have same variable and same power. Same variable and same. When you have to given the any term they have same variable and same power. Then you have to say that it is a like term. Understand? For example, 5x 16. Any example will take also 5x square, 4x square. Okay, so it is a variable also the same and power also same. So 5x square and 4x square also the like term. Understand, student? Now unlike. What is meant by the unlike? They are opposite statement. What is the opposite statement here? Unlike term is what? If they have different variable and their power also the unequal, but their power also the unequal, then it is called as an unlike term. It's very easy. 15a, 15b, 15c. Their variables are different and they are also the same. Another example, 6x square, x square is the different power also. Then you have to say that it is an unlike term. Okay, so 15a and 16a it is not an unlike term, and 6x square, x square it is not a like term. Understand, children? These types of we have to identify the like and unlike term in the given algebraic expression. Okay, student? Now, next we have to given that the types of the algebraic expression. Okay, types of algebraic expression. Which types we have to given here? What is that? It's the first one is a monomial. What is meant by monomial? Monomial means the algebraic expression. It is said to be monomial if it is contain only one term. If it is contain the only one term, then it is called as a monomial algebraic expression. Understand, student? Monomial, it is a meaning of what? Only they have one terms. That is called as a monomial. For example, 4x1, only one term in this expression, so it is called as a monomial. Second one is a binomial. What is meant by binomial? Binomial, if you have to say that the binomial algebraic expression, then if they have, it is contain the two unlike term. Okay. If they have the two unlike term, then you have to say that it is a given expression is a binomial algebraic expression. Okay. For example, ax plus b. How many terms contain? These are the unlike term. Ax plus b is a binomial expression. Okay. So after the binomial, student, you have to give the trinomial. Trinomial means what? Trinomial means it contains three unlike terms. How many? Three unlike terms. It is called as what? It is called as what? Trinomial algebraic expression. Understand? For example, 2x plus 2y plus 4z. Okay, so how many terms contain? Three terms. It is called as a trinomial. Now next one is the last one is the polynomials. Polynomial means the what? Polynomial is also the same simple. One or more. It contains the one or more terms. At least one or more than one. It is this expression. When you have to given the expression contain the one or more terms, then you have to say that the given expression is a polynomial. Example: 2x plus 4y plus 7z plus 9. How many terms? More than one. So it contains the four terms. So you have to say that the given expression is a polynomial. These types of we have to learn about that the types of polynomial. How many types of polynomial? Four. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Monomial means it is a short way you have to learn about it. Monomial means what? One term, it contains the one term. Binomial means it contains two terms, and trinomial means it contains three terms, and polynomial means it contains the one or more term. That's it. Understand, student? Okay. Now, student, after this types of algebraic expression, we have to given on the basis of we have to given one try this. Okay. Try this fifth ka first. Okay. So what you do? First, you have to watch this video properly. Okay. And note down this all the points in your notebook. Okay. After that, you have to solve the try this homework. What is that? This try this fifth tries you have to given the first try this you have to given in the page number 60. Okay, you have to it's very basic questions you have to given in this try this. Okay, you have to solve properly. If you have to not understand any concept and any question, ask. Understand, student? Okay, so thank you so much.